Every U.S. state has a unique shape, but some look like mittens, boots, or even frying pans. Can you guess them? Which famous southern state has this giant outline? Is it A, Florida, B, Texas, or C, California? It's B, Texas. It is the second largest U.S. state. Which sunny peninsula state is shaped like this? Is it A, Florida, B, Georgia, or C, Michigan? It's A, Florida. It stretches between two major bodies of water. Which long West Coast state has this curved shape? Is it A, Oregon, B, Washington, or C, California? It's C, California. Its coastline curves for nearly 900 miles. Which giant northern state features this unique shape? Is it A, Alaska, B, Texas, or C, Hawaii? It's A, Alaska. It is the largest state by area. Which tropical island state is made of these volcanic islands? Is it A, Florida, B, Hawaii, or C, Rhode Island? It's B, Hawaii. It is made entirely of volcanic islands. Which state is famous for looking like a mitten? Is it A, Wisconsin, B, Ohio, or C, Michigan? It's C, Michigan. Its lower peninsula looks like a winter mitten. Which East Coast state has this famous shape? Is it A, New York, B, Pennsylvania, or C, Maine? It's A, New York. It borders the Great Lakes and ocean. Which state outline looks like a pan with a long handle? Is it A, Texas, B, Oklahoma, or C, Kansas? It's B, Oklahoma. It has a famous western panhandle shape. Which southern state outline is shaped like the letter L? Is it A, Louisiana, B, Mississippi, or C, Alabama? It's A, Louisiana. It is shaped like a boot or L. Which Pacific Northwest state has this tall, narrow northern panhandle? Is it A, Montana, B, Idaho, or C, Nevada? It's B, Idaho. Mountain borders created this skinny panhandle. Which long, narrow state stretches all the way from the Appalachian Mountains to the Mississippi River? Is it A, Kentucky, B, Tennessee, or C, North Carolina? It's B, Tennessee. It borders 8 other U.S. states. Which western state has this shape with a bite taken out of its top right corner? Is it A, Colorado, B, Nevada, or C, Utah? It's C, Utah. The corner cutout avoided a mountain boundary. Which Midwestern state has this heart-like outline? Is it A, Ohio, B, Indiana, or C, Illinois? It's A, Ohio. Many people think it looks like a heart. Which Pacific Northwest state has this outline bordering Canada? Is it A, Oregon, B, Washington, or C, Idaho? It's B, Washington. It sits in the upper left mainland corner. Which desert state has this straight eastern border and slanted western border? Is it A, Arizona, B, Nevada, or C, Utah? It's B, Nevada. Its slanted border follows the mountain range. Which mountain state has this highly irregular shape with 2 separate panhandles? Is it A, West Virginia, B, Virginia, or C, Kentucky? It's A, West Virginia. Its borders are defined by rivers and mountains. Which northeastern state features this jagged, pine tree-like outline? Is it A, Vermont, B, New Hampshire, or C, Maine? It's C, Maine. It has a highly rugged, jagged coastline. Which state outline features the famous Outer Banks barrier islands on its eastern side? Is it A, South Carolina, B, North Carolina, or C, Virginia? It's B, North Carolina. Its coast curves out into the Atlantic. Which dairy state is bordered by 2 Great Lakes and the Mississippi River? Is it A, Minnesota, B, Wisconsin, or C, Iowa? It's B, Wisconsin. It is bordered by 2 Great Lakes. Which northern state has a little bump at the very top called the Northwest Angle? Is it A, Minnesota, B, North Dakota, or C, Michigan? It's A, Minnesota. That bump is the northernmost mainland point. Which historic East Coast state has a famous hook-shaped peninsula on its right side? Is it A, Rhode Island, B, Massachusetts, or C, Connecticut? It's B, Massachusetts. Cape Cod looks like a flexing arm. Which state is a near-perfect rectangle, often confused with Colorado? Is it A, Colorado, B, Wyoming, or C, North Dakota? It's B, Wyoming. It is defined strictly by latitude lines. Which New England state is shaped like a V, being wider at the top than the bottom? Is it A, Vermont, B, New Hampshire, or C, Maine? It's A, Vermont. Its western border tilts outward going north. Which state is the mirror image of Vermont, with its wider base at the bottom? Is it A, Massachusetts, B, Vermont, or C, New Hampshire? It's C, New Hampshire. It is shaped like an upside-down V. Which Midwestern state has a vertical western border and a jagged southern border shaped by the Ohio River? Is it A, Illinois, B, Indiana, or C, Ohio? It's B, Indiana. The southern border is the Squiggly River. Which southern state has a squiggly western border formed by its namesake river? Is it A, Alabama, B, Mississippi, or C, Georgia? It's B, Mississippi. Its west border is the Mississippi River. Which Great Plains state has a flat panhandle on its left and a squiggly river border on its right? Is it A, Kansas, B, Nebraska, or C, South Dakota? It's B, Nebraska. Its eastern border is the Missouri River. Which southwestern state is mostly square but has a small square notch cutout in its bottom left corner? Is it A, Arizona, B, New Mexico, or C, Utah? It's B, New Mexico. It has a small southwestern notch cutout. How many state outlines did you get right? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes.